Wala na?
Hmm.
Okay guys, moment of truth. So, nag-apply may visa sa Japan for 3 pag last December 19 and then karon pa siya na mo nakuha sa LBC. So, wish us luck! Hopefully. He didn't approve. Hopefully lang. Sige, let's start with Turkey ang gauna. Yay! Single entry. It's okay! Single entry! Yes! Yawa, nagbutangan dyan nila ang kuan. Shadadan! Single entry as well. And kay Kian. Kay Kian. Tapos, single entry. Yay!
How many days?
We're going to Japan!
Hi guys! So we are here in Mactan, Cebu International Airport. And where are we going?
To Japan.
What?
To Japan, Tokyo.
Okay, so we are going to Japan.
I mean, to Tokyo, Japan.
Okay, so we are going to Japan. Finally, this is our first family trip,
And
family vacation.
yes,
Yeah.
and this is our first time out of the Philippines. Me and my dad.
Yep. Oh,
But
is it just the two of us?
yeah, because my mom already went to Korea.
Yeah, Korea. Yeah.
So
Yeah, China.
yeah, and
Other other countries. So but this is our first time to go to Japan, right?
yeah.
Yes. Okay. So next tomorrow we're going to show you our
Vacation.
yeah, vacation. So how do we buy the train ticket? So sa mga nakita naming vlogs or maraming mga kuwan na hindi mahirap ng train, napaka-overwhelming. So, overwhelming daw yung train sa Japan. Okay, so we are going to learn that and we are going to include it in our vlogs. Okay, so ayan si Mrs. nasa likod, nagtatrabaho pa rin. Okay, so see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
So we are finally boarded.
Yes. I will since waited till morning. Yeah.
Okay. So see you when we land on
Yeah.
the airport.
And we are gonna capture
Capture what?
the
Pikachu?
capture the video in the air.
Ah,
Okay, so see you when we land.
bye-bye. So this is Japan Wireless.
Yeah.
The pocket Wi-Fi. Okay, in the box or in the envelope, we have the pouch. Okay. So this is my name. credentials. Okay, so we have the
Ooh.
pocket Wi-Fi. We have the power brick so that we can charge it. Okay, we also have
Wait.
okay,
Wire.
the USB-C
And
power
a-
wire, and this is a power bank.
Yeah, charger. It's like a charger.
Okay, so also in the envelope we have another envelope,
Yep.
so we can mail
There's
it
2 envelopes.
whenever we are going back home. So before we're going back home, we're going to mail it. Okay, so that's it.
Okay guys, so wala gidawat amo ang BPI na platino. So si Metrobank ang gidawat, may gani kay natin backup.
Please take
Child.
everything with you.
May gani kay natin credit card. Okay, another one for Kian. One more for Kian.
Please enter your date of birth and touch confirm.
Sakto ba?
Oh,
Please select the desired charge amount. Please
Dapat
insert
nag-work
money
ka
or
Kian.
credit card.
Okay, insert ka siya. Diba?
Inquiring.
Nabuang mi sa amo ang BPI kay wala gyud siya gidawat ang BPI.
Please take charge.
Ito ba dili na kailangan pin. Extra sa beauty sa DPI. Gatay. Ayaw ko nga, hindi ka friendly. Friendly siya.
Next is, please take everything with you.
Okay, so now we have 3.
hi guys. We're here in Honjo Azumabashi, and we're going to our Airbnb. So we booked an Airbnb here in Tokyo, Sumida City. Okay, so I think mahaba-habang lakaran to. Tapos aakyat pa tayo hanggang 5th floor with this luggage. Okay, so see you there.
So guys,
So guys.
the 2 layers na among anak.
Yes.
Kay
Too cold.
it's too cold na daw. Paluma pa siya ganihawag, di pa isirado.
Well, paggawas na naman. When we go outside, it's too cold. It's too cold, but no snow.
Takiyawag ko, mabay.
no snow.
This is good.
Okay.
becomes lighter.
Okay. See you sa amo ang
Airbnb.
Airbnb.